In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint. Keeping PowerPoint up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, so this quick check is well worth a minute of your time. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it open, make sure your work is saved. It's a good idea to close any other Office apps like Word or Excel so the update can run smoothly without asking you to shut things down later. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This opens what's often called the Backstage view, where you'll find settings and account options that aren't in the regular ribbon. In the menu along the left side, click Account. In some versions, this might be labeled Office Account, but you're looking for the page that shows your product details and sign-in information. On the right side of that page, look under Product Information. Here you'll find the Update Options button. If you don't immediately see it, look for an Office Update section with a similar button. If the option is grayed out, your organization might manage updates for you, in which case you can still follow along, but you may need to check with your IT administrator. Click Update Options, then choose Update Now from the drop-down menu. PowerPoint will begin checking for available updates. Make sure you're connected to the internet and try not to close PowerPoint while it's working. Depending on your setup, you might see a progress bar or the update may run silently in the background. If updates are available, they'll download and install automatically. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the size of the update and your connection speed. If PowerPoint asks you to save your work or close other Office apps, go ahead and do that to let the installer continue. If you're already up to date, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know everything is current. Some updates may require a restart of PowerPoint or, in rare cases, a quick restart of your computer. If prompted, save your files, close PowerPoint, and restart as requested. When you reopen PowerPoint, your app will be fully updated and ready to use. And that's it. Your Microsoft PowerPoint is now up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.